the video, I talked about that I am doing an online MBA, and a lot of you reached out asking that which college I am doing my MBA from and which would be the best online college for your online MBA, and whether any college or any university provide placement support for online MBA. So in today's video, I will answer these questions exactly along with some tips for you. So if you are thinking of doing an online MBA, you can watch this video until the end. But before starting, let's first understand who should actually go for an online MBA. First will be the people who don't want to quit their job and want to get a better position, maybe a management role, or get promoted to the management role, can consider online MBA. Another will be the people who want to switch their career without leaving a job, and I've already made a video about how you can switch out from customer service job. I'll put the link somewhere here, go watch it. And in that scenario also, if you want to switch your career, let's say you are not in a very good job and you want to switch to some other job, in that scenario online MBA can help you in a lot of ways. And lastly, the people who want to learn about starting a business or becoming an entrepreneur, because MBA syllabus can help you learn a lot about consulting a business and much more. With an online MBA, you can do it without putting everything else on hold. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें अपनी लाइफ में सब कुछ पीछे छोड़ के ऑनलाइन MBA के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. And this is what I am doing. Right now, I am running like 2 businesses, and while doing my online MBA, while creating content for you guys. So this is a very convenient thing, and today I'll be speaking everything from my own personal experience. Now that's clear, we'll talk about top 5 colleges where you can do your online MBA from. And I'll also talk about if they are giving placement supports or not, and you can choose best options among them. But before starting, hi, my name is Radha Srivastava. I'm a founder of Stumenko, which is a HR consulting business, from recruitment to everything people need to grow their team. And if you are a candidate who is looking for a job, who wants to make a better career decision, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you are not missing anything out. Okay, on the number 5, we have Chandigarh University, and to answer this is where I am doing my MBA from. I have already completed my first semester, and so far I'm really loving it. Their curriculum is well updated, well organized, and it even includes some course book from Harvard Publishing House, which is a plus. They are UGC recognized as well, and the fee what they are right now charging is around 2 lakh for a whole MBA degree. I received a scholarship to do MBA from there at the time I was applying. You can get it too if you are applying to any of the college that I'm mentioning through College Vidya website, because they have launched an exciting feature, the CV subsidy, where students can receive up to 10,000 subsidy upon enrolling in any of the universities they have listed on their website. So whether you are searching for a perfect online course, university, or anything, College Vidya has got you covered. Here's how it works. You just have to go to College Vidya's website, select the course you are interested in, whether it's a UG, PG, or any other online program, fill in some basic details and answer few quick questions they have. Through their AI powered system, you will instantly generate a list of government approved online universities tailored just for you. It will direct you to their official website, ensuring that you avoid any scam and enroll safely. You can either connect directly with the university official or opt for a free audio video consulting from the College Vidya's expert, who will guide you through the entire process from admission to the placement. And one of the standout feature they have is this add to compare tool, which lets you compare online universities across 30 plus key factors like fee, approval, rating, placement, and much more. You can make an informed decision. And there's more, College Vidya also offers EMI option, whether the university is providing it or not. Plus, when you register through the link in the description I am giving, you'll get access to career assistance program worth 6,999 completely for free. Since online colleges don't provide any placement support, but College Vidya is going to do it for you. They will provide you the placement support. I'm providing the link in the description of this video. This is where you can apply. Even for Chandigarh University, they don't have any placement assistant for the online program, but with the College Vidya, the link I'm giving, if you are doing MBA from there, you will be eligible for placement support and they'll help you get placed. Alright, now on the number 4th, we have LPU University. Their curriculum is also quite good. They are UGC approved. Here you can do MBA in specialization like finance, HR, marketing, and data science. You can get the placement assistant also, but not from the college, but through the College Vidya website, and you can apply apply that. Once again, I'll leave the link to in the description, so you can apply from there. Now at the third place, we have Manipal University. Manipal University offers an MBA in general specialization only. If you are doing an online MBA from Manipal, the only MBA you can get there is MBA in general specialization, and it can be a great university for your choice. And a lot of people ask me whether it's better to do an MBA from specialization or any general MBA. Then I would always suggest that picking general. But if you know what you want after MBA, if you have a well plan that whether you want to make your career in finance or anything, then you can think of the specialization. But if you just want to get an MBA to get the organizational level or promotion के लिए कर रहे हो, then general MBA is more than enough. For example, if you want to switch your career into IT, or you have worked in IT and you want to stay in IT only, then you can think about doing an MBA in IT. But let's say if you are someone from sales and want to get into managerial position, then I would say going for an MBA which is general will be more than enough for you. Now on second we have is NMIMS. It's Narsee Monjee and it's a well-known college. We all know that in terms of placement, curriculum, teaching faculty, everything is top notch they have. They offer an MBA in various fields like IT में भी मिलेगा, retail operation में भी मिलेगा, even general MBA is there, so you have wide range of choices. They are also UGC approved and they have quite good ranking on AICTE and NIRF as well. Here you can get amazing placement support from both. University भी आपको placement support दे देगी इसमें, plus College Vidya will also give you placement support here. Their fees is around also 2 lakh for the whole MBA degree, making it a good and affordable choice. Now on the top we have is MIT University. मैंने ये बात से struggle कर रही थी कि NMIMS को ऊपर डालूं या MIT को ऊपर डालूं, but let's go with any of them. One of my friend is doing MBA from here, from MIT. And I've seen her coursework. It's quite knowledgeable. They offer specialization in areas like insurance, HR, digital marketing and a lot more. So you can choose according to preference. Fee इनकी 2.5 lakh है, which is quite affordable. यही रहती है पूरे MBA degree की fee. If you can't decide among these universities, I have some tips pointed out for you that you should consider if you are thinking about doing an online MBA. Let's go from those tip by tip, and that can help you make more decision very well if you actually should be doing an online MBA or not. So first of all is that don't do online MBA just for the degree कि आपके पास एक degree आ जाएगी and it should be enough. Somebody who is already experiencing it, I can say that you have to study rigorously to pass in exams, and you have to absorb things. You have to be very self-disciplined. And if you are a fresher, I would say do not go for online MBA. It is not somebody a fresher should do. Either you should be having a job और उसके साथ तुम 2 साल MBA कर लो, 2 साल जॉब भी करते रहो, तो तुम्हारे पास 2 साल का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस भी हो जाएगा. लेकिन फ्रेशर होने के जस्ट बाद ऑनलाइन MBA मत करो जस्ट क्योंकि तुम्हें एक डिग्री चाहिए. Another drawback that you need to think about is that you cannot just apply for jobs. Okay, you can't just depend on placement. You have to make network of your own as well. You have to apply for jobs also. It's very important. You don't just depend on degree. You have to get some field experience as well. So it's very important that you connect with people on LinkedIn and you connect with people online before jumping into these online MBAs and just devoting your whole life into it. You have to have a life of outside of your own. And when it comes to connecting with people, don't just depend on asking for referrals to them. Instead, try to build a genuine connection with those people. Let's say you want to connect with somebody जो HR में है और आप उन HR वालों से बात करना चाहते हैं, तो आप उनसे एक अच्छा जेन्युइन कनेक्शन बनाइए. उनको पूछिए उनके फील्ड में क्या चल रहा है, क्या वो आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं, मेंटोर कर सकते हैं. देन इन द एंड आस्क फॉर जॉब. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पीपल मेकिंग दिस मिस्टेक दैट दे स्ट्रेट अप आस्क फॉर जॉब एंड दे डोंट गेट एनी रिप्लाईज. So you have to keep this in mind while applying for online MBA. First thing is that you have to be super duper disciplined. Another thing is that you have to take care of your own networks and where are you applying for job as well. Even though you have placement support with the help of College Vidya, that's also a very good sorted thing, but I would also suggest that you do it on your own. Another thing is that do not jump into online MBA as a fresher. Jump with the intention. That would be a way better idea for you to do an MBA. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. Let me know among these colleges which one will you be applying to, and if you have any questions related to online MBA, do ask me in comment. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. That's it, and thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up.